How do you, as a leader, just get knowledgeable enough to be able to ask the right questions and make the right decisions?
Yeah, well, 42 years helps. You hang around long enough and you pick up a few things. But, curiosity is kind of at the core of it. If you ask people what they do, they're only too willing to share that with you. I've always tried to let people know that I don't think I've got all the answers. I don't understand what all of our people do. And so I'll just ask questions. So tell me what you're working on. Tell me how that fits into our business. When I talk to young people in particular, some of my advice is, understand the strategy of the unit you're working in. They're trying to accomplish something. Understand how they make money. It's a commercial enterprise. And so understanding the business model, which a lot of times in large organizations, people are involved in processes or internal activities, and they don't really think about the business model, which is helpful. And I try to ask questions about how something fits in. Showing the respect that our people know a lot more than I do, and asking questions is probably the main way that I learn. And then, of course, you have to trust a large organization.